everyone. So if you're new here, my name is Elizabeth and the types of videos I normally film are book related, vlog, and lifestyle. As you read in the title down below, I'm gonna unbox Sokawaii. I've been wanting to buy a monthly subscription box and I finally got one. It's Halloween themed, so I'm so excited to open it. Alright, let's just get into it. Should I open this beforehand? Ooh, nice, look at that. So here is all the stuff that's inside. I do not want to look at it.
Oh my god, I just looked at it.
Okay, so first thing is, what is this?
I didn't look at that. What is that?
Oh, to make little, you put chocolate in there and little designs.
It says My Melody chocolate candy mold.
Ooh, to make little chocolate candy mold. That's cute. Second thing is chopsticks.
Whoa.
Nice. This is cute too. And it's the little cat from, I don't remember the name. Kiki Delivery Service.
Oh.
And it's the cat from Kiki's Delivery Service. This cute little cinnamon roll bag. Ooh. This is nice. Oh, it's so cute. I like that.
This is kind of Halloween theme.
It is.
No?
It is.
It's just a cat. But that one for sure is Halloween.
Yeah. Next thing is.
Whoa.
Oh my god, so cute. Okay, I knew this one was gonna come because they had a little sneak peek on their Instagram page. I'm gonna put it somewhere because of Halloween. Okay, you guys, so I just realized that there's a small little zipper here. That's so cute. Wait. Oh, that's terrifying. Its guts are coming out.
Ew.
Okay. Oh, what should I put in here? Like a key or something. Ooh. And the next thing is, aww, that's cute. I love using tumblers. They're so
Now
handy.
you have now you have a good one.
I know, this one's nice. It's a pretty size too.
I think that's the same size as mine, maybe a little bigger.
Dang, it's a nice
that's cute
size. Ooh, this is pretty.
I like the glitters and
I
stuff.
love the glitter. The next thing is, I don't even know what this is. But Magical Doremi,
A memo pad.
I love Magical Doremi. When I was young, I used to watch their shows. Ugh,
I feel like we can't find it anywhere though. It's sad.
It is, huh? This is. Oh, they're gonna come out with a new movie in Japan.
Oh,
this is cute. Oh my gosh, I don't think I'm ever gonna use this. It's so cute. And that is it.
That was fast.
That was. It's cute. I like it. So that is it for this unboxing. I have a little code down below if you want to use it. I'm not so sure if you get a discount. I'm gonna look it up just in case. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed my short video. Have you guys bought Sokawaii? And if you have, do you like it? Do you not like it? What's your favorite item? Mine from this box, it's the tumbler. It's so nice. I like it. And cute and beautiful. Here you go.
It's PBA free, it says.
Ooh. My sister is in the background, by the way. So
no,
yeah.
It's not me.
No, my sister's in the background.
I'm not.
What are you talking? You're so weird. Okay, so yes, I hope you guys enjoyed my short video. Hit that like button to let me know that you like these types of videos. Hit subscribe to get more of my content and hit that bell notification to know when I upload. Alright, I'll see you guys next time. Bye everyone.